Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out this air conditioning unit. Okay, here we are with an air conditioning unit, obviously perfect for the warmer summer months. If you need some air conditioning or some cold air or just some air circulating through your house, bedroom, office, anywhere really, obviously where you need to put this, then this could be the air conditioning unit for you. So in this video we'll check out the product here just on the table, check out the actual product, the build, etc. We'll then set it upstairs as well. We'll get it actually on. Hopefully we can get some water and some ice packs into this as well and see how effective it is. So first of all, let's get it outside of the box and just check it out here on the table. Okay, as you can see here, we've got the air conditioning unit itself. We've got 4 caster wheels that just push onto the bottom. We'll do that in a minute. We've got a few ice packs as well. I think there's 4 in total. 4 ice packs in total to keep the water cool inside this, and then blows the cold air from the cold water out into a room, keep you nice and cool and chilled. Also comes with a remote control. You can control it on the panel, just on the top there, but it does come with a remote control as well. So obviously if you are away from the unit, or maybe in a bedroom, for example, you can turn it on, off, or change the settings with the included remote control. So what we'll do, let's just get things set up first of all. Obviously these are the ice packs, and the lid does come off. So obviously you would fill it up with water yourself. So let's take a look at the instructions first of all. We'll make sure we know what we're doing, but it should be pretty simple to do, I think, in terms of operating the machine, or operating the air conditioning unit, sorry. But as I mentioned, it does come with this remote control. I'm not sure if it has a battery in it. No battery included, so we'll just get a watch battery for that, just to try that out. So, UK plug, fairly long cable on here, not too long though, maybe a couple of meters. Let's just check that out as well. So we'll just get the cable tie off there. So maybe a couple of meters almost, yeah, so that could plug in somewhere really easily. We've got the filter on the back as well, so the filter unit there, obviously bringing in the air, so it'll filter the air out there. That is removable and replaceable by the looks of it. There's a couple of screws just there. Nice handle on the top of there. On the top of the unit, let's just have a look at that. So we'll just show you the top. So we've got the controls, cool, swing, timer, wind speed on and off. Just a little bit of tape on here. So I'm assuming, I will read the instructions and confirm, but that is where you will drop water down into the unit, then it'll drop down into the bottom, and obviously the cold air will then blow out of the machine. So we'll just pause there for a minute, we'll get things set up, and then we'll give it a go. Okay, so the caster wheels are on the bottom, so we can move that around really easily. There's a couple of brakes on a couple of the wheels as well, so you can make it so it doesn't roll away, for example. So we're ready to go now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill these up with water and put them in the freezer. I think the idea is that you don't use all 4 at once. You probably, in the back water tank here, let me just show you. So you take the water tank, put water in there. There's a min and a max line indicator somewhere, just on the actual tub. So you don't go any higher than the max, obviously, but need to go above the minimum. And then you probably drop 1 or maybe 2 of these ice packs into here, just to keep the water cool. So you can maybe have 2 in there to start with. Once that melts, perhaps the ice will actually melt. Then re-top it up with 2 different ice packs, put them back in the freezer, and kind of keep swapping them around as they're frozen. So we'll pop them in. So we'll pop some water into these now, get them frozen, and then we'll give this a go. So I'll show this in action, hopefully, just to show it off. Obviously, I can't show how cold it is, but I will confirm how cold the actual air is. So back soon with this in use. We'll get some footage as well, some close-ups, just to show the product off, and then we'll give it a go, and then we'll summarise at the end. Okay, all done now with the air conditioning unit. As you can see, really easy to use. Included ice packs, included everything, all ready to go to air condition or cool down your room, house, office, whatever you want to do. The ice packs that come with it, as I mentioned, probably use 2 at a time in the water to cool the water down, which then cools the air down, which blows out of the unit. Really good functions in terms of the timer, the rotation of the actual air spinning as well, in terms of oscillating it around the room. Really, really good, all built in. You can use a remote control or the physical buttons on the device. So again, really easy to use, really intuitive in terms of its use. So overall, a really great product, really good at keeping obviously rooms and houses and offices cool, and definitely a product we'd recommend.